the month of Sha'ban is the month where we cultivate the land. And the month of Sha'ban is where you plant your seeds. And the month of Ramadan is where you reap the rewards. So the month of Ramadan is a time that we have to be at our best. You have to perform at your best. Like an athlete that's going for the World Cup, they don't start preparing when they're on the plane getting to the World Cup. They start preparing for the World Cup way in advance. Similarly, an athlete who's going for 100-meter sprint, it's a 10-second run, it's an 11-second run. But for those 11-second runs, they are preparing for it months in advance. They're making sure they're eating right, they're making sure they're drinking right, they're making sure they're sleeping enough, they're making sure they're going to the gym enough. Their entire schedule of their life changes because there's a competition coming up ahead. So everything that they do in the months preceding to that is changed. And they have no ill feelings in their hearts towards it. They do it happily. They're happily willing to go through those changes because they know that for them to be able to perform at the best levels, they have to undergo those changes. So the month of Rajab is one of those months that is preceding Ramadan. It's leading us to that month. This is the time where we need to go within ourselves and we need to change the things that are impeding our progress.
Watch the full video on our channel, Al Huda Mosque.